Energy efficiency is a top concern for homeowners in Mandeville, where warm temperatures, humidity, and frequent rain can make maintaining indoor comfort a challenge. Windows play a major role in how well a home manages heat, airflow, and moisture. Among the many window styles available, awning windows stand out as a smart, energy-efficient option. Their unique design helps Mandeville homeowners reduce energy loss while creating a more comfortable living environment year-round. Tight seals that reduce energy loss. One of the key reasons awning windows support energy efficiency is how they seal when closed. Awning windows are hinged at the top and close by pressing the sash tightly against the frame. In Mandeville houses, this creates a strong, weather-resistant seal that helps prevent air leaks. By reducing drafts and minimizing heat transfer, awning windows help keep cooled air inside during warm months and prevent unnecessary energy loss. Helping homes stay cooler in warm weather. Mandeville's climate often requires consistent cooling to maintain comfort. Older or poorly sealed windows can allow heat to enter, making air conditioning systems work harder. Awning windows help limit heat gain by sealing tightly and supporting energy-efficient glass options. For Mandeville homeowners, this means indoor spaces stay cooler with less strain on cooling systems. Supporting natural ventilation to reduce AC use. Energy efficiency isn't just about insulation, it's also about using natural airflow when conditions allow. Awning windows provide excellent ventilation control. Because they can remain open during light rain, awning windows allow fresh air to circulate without sacrificing protection. In Mandeville homes, this makes it easier to turn off air conditioning during mild weather, reducing energy consumption naturally. Reducing humidity-related energy demands. High humidity can make indoor spaces feel warmer and force cooling systems to work harder. Poor ventilation allows moisture to build up inside the home. Awning windows help release humid air efficiently, especially in kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry areas. For Mandeville houses, better humidity control supports a more comfortable environment and reduces the workload on HVAC systems. Energy-efficient glass enhances performance. Awning windows are often paired with modern, energy-efficient glass options. Double-pane glass, low emissivity coatings, and insulated designs all contribute to improved thermal performance. In Mandeville homes, these glass features help reflect heat while still allowing natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting and excessive cooling. Ideal placement improves whole home efficiency. Awning windows are commonly installed higher on walls or above other window styles. This placement helps improve airflow patterns throughout the home. For Mandeville homeowners, combining awning windows with other operable windows creates effective cross-ventilation. This natural airflow improves comfort while supporting energy savings. Durable performance in humid conditions. Humidity and moisture can degrade some window materials over time, reducing energy efficiency. Awning windows are designed with materials and hardware that resist moisture-related damage. In Mandeville houses, this durability helps maintain window performance and energy efficiency over the long term, even in damp conditions. Minimizing drafts in smaller spaces. Smaller rooms can lose comfort quickly if windows are not well sealed. Awning windows' tight closure helps maintain consistent temperatures in compact spaces. For Mandeville homes, this contributes to improved comfort without increasing energy use. Professional installation maximizes energy benefits. Even the most energy-efficient window won't perform well if installed incorrectly. Proper installation ensures airtight sealing, correct alignment, and optimal performance. Professional installation helps Mandeville homeowners get the full energy-saving benefits awning windows are designed to provide. An energy-smart window choice for Mandeville homes. Awning windows offer a combination of tight sealing, ventilation control, and durability that supports strong energy efficiency. For Mandeville homeowners looking to reduce energy loss, manage humidity, and improve indoor comfort, awning windows are a practical and reliable solution that delivers long-term value.